Hello, puzzle creators! In the first Montague Island video, I talked about using a diagram to make spatial clues clear. Now, how about putting a clue into a diagram? That's what's happening in Puzzle 2.1, The Guest Rooms, in R. Wayne Schmittberger's book, Montague Island Mysteries. Some key information appears only in a diagram. In this puzzle, the diagram is a floor plan of part of a house, with hallways, stairs, doors, and so on. I'm not going to tell you what the visual clue is, that would be a spoiler. But it's okay to say solvers need to notice certain visual information and identify that it is relevant. This puzzle-making strategy opens up room for lots of creativity for you. Clues in images can work with floor plans as in the guest rooms, but there are a lot of other ways to go. What kinds of visual clues can be hidden in images? If you're an artist or have an artist collaborator, there's no limit but your imagination. Just make sure that visual clues connect clearly to the other clues. When your solvers find a visual clue, you want them to feel confident. They're thrilled because they're certain they found the key information. That feeling of certainty requires the clue to be clear. Of course, visual clues shouldn't be too obvious because then there's no challenge. The needle in a haystack strategy can work. That means have a complex image with lots of distractors. Then your visual clue can be clear and solvers still don't spot it right away. The take-home message is, just as in the guest rooms, you can add novelty to your logic grid puzzles by hiding clues in images.